How to roll over your $1 million 401k into a Gold IRA without penalties. Protecting a large retirement fund requires strategy, not luck. If you want stability beyond stocks and bonds, learning how to roll over your $1 million 401k into a Gold IRA without penalties can help you safeguard your wealth with the long-term strength of physical gold. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are the guide to roll over your $1 million 401k into a Gold IRA without penalties. 1. Know what a Gold IRA is. A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that lets you invest in IRS-approved physical metals like gold, silver, platinum, or palladium. Gold must be 99.5% pure and stored in an IRS-approved depository, not at home. A licensed custodian manages all transactions and reporting. 2. Check that your 401k is eligible. If you've left the employer who sponsored your 401k, you can usually roll over the entire balance. If you're still employed, ask your plan administrator whether they allow an in-service distribution. This step ensures the rollover can proceed legally and smoothly. 3. Choose the right Gold IRA custodian. You must work with an IRS-approved custodian experienced in self-directed IRAs. Look for transparent fees, secure partners, and a strong track record handling large rollovers. 4. Pick an IRS-approved depository. Your metals must be stored in a secure facility with full insurance. Depositories offer segregated or non-segregated storage, both compliant, but segregated keeps your metals separate from others. 5. Use a direct rollover. A direct trustee-to-trustee transfer sends funds straight from your 401k to your new Gold IRA custodian. You never touch the money, avoiding taxes, withholding, and penalties. Avoid indirect rollovers, which risk heavy IRS consequences if not completed within 60 days. 6. Buy IRS-approved precious metals. Once funds arrive, purchase approved gold products such as 99.5% pure bullion bars or government-minted coins like American Gold Eagles or Canadian Maple Leafs. 7. Choose the right allocation. For a $1 million portfolio, many advisors suggest allocating 10% to 30% into precious metals. Consider diversifying across gold, silver, platinum, or palladium for balanced protection. 8. Keep records and stay compliant. Save all rollover documents, purchase receipts, and custodian statements. Proper reporting keeps your IRA compliant and penalty-free. Rolling over your retirement savings into a Gold IRA offers diversification, inflation protection, and long-term stability. By choosing the right custodian, following IRS rules, and using a direct rollover, you can protect your $1 million 401k while keeping your tax advantages intact. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.